I am an American citizen, and I have two nephews and a niece in Jamaica. I want to adopt and bring them up. How do I go about it?
How old are your nephews and niece?
Okay, the little boy is 10, one is 50, one is 14, and one is 15.
Where are the parents of these children?
Okay, the father is there, but he's not working.
Where's the mother?
The mother, she can really do very little because the father lives with his girlfriend, and as a stepmother, she don't care. So
Who's
the only
raising the
person
children? Who's raising these children?
the stepmother and the father, but he's not working.
Mm-hmm. All
The
right.
the mother
So,
helps when she can.
so lawyers could no longer help in these. The only way to bring children up from Jamaica is through an orphan petition. The orphan petition has to be filed before they're 16, but if they're brothers and sisters, it can be until 18.
Okay.
The orphan petition has to be done through an accredited adoption agency. They have to send social workers to your home. They do what's called a pre-adoption certificate. They took away the ability of lawyers to do orphan petitions several years ago. They just
Oh,
changed the rules in
okay.
adoption agencies now.
Okay.
So it has to be done through an adoption agency. But for these children to be orphaned, they
Yeah.
would have to leave the home of the father and the stepmother, go live in somebody else's home, have those
Oh,
people raise them, and then you or the people who are now raising them or a combination would go
yeah.
to courts in Jamaica simultaneously to you going through the orphan petition and the pre-adoption with the adoption agency in the United States. Simultaneous to
Yeah.
that, you would have to go to the courts in Jamaica and strip the father of his parental rights, saying he's a
Oh,
father, does nothing for these kids, and then the child's an orphan. If the
yeah.
father signs off and says you can adopt my children, they're not orphaned. Then you would have to
Oh,
adopt them and go live with them in Jamaica for 2 years to bring them up, which is a difficult feat. So it's better
yeah.
to get the father of the parental rights and go through the adoption agency. We can help you find an adoption agency, but the actual work would be done through the adoption agency.
I have an appointment for Wednesday with you,
Okay. Okay.
but I
We'll
just
speak
want
then.
to hear what you had to
Yeah.
say. Okay.
We'll speak then.
Thank you. Thank you.